Hello guys, welcome to Green Light Coding. This is a simple batch file to change the size of any tab of command prompt. Now save the file with .bat extension. After setting the value of the height and width, the PowerShell command is used for keys within an infinity loop. Now using the mode command as shown here, the desired number of lines and columns can be fixed. And the conditional statements are used with the specific key values assigned to the error levels. And open it and use the arrow keys to increase or decrease the size.